Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, sagot tayo ng random math problem coming from algebra. And this is an easy level category. Try solving the problem as well with no calculators. Pero shoutout muna kay Miss Nicole Selvia. And maraming salamat sa Lodi sa patuloy na suporta mo sa channel natin. And I hope you all the best. God bless you always. If x minus square root of x is equal to 7, find the numerical value of x minus 7 all over square root of x. So siguro ang first intuition yung mga Lodic x is isosolve nyo yung value dito ng x. Tama ba? So kapag sinolve mo dito yung value ng x, pwede mong i-let u ito magiging u squared. So kumbaga kapag nilet u mo kasi yung square root of x, so ang lalabas dito will be u squared minus u 7 lipat sa kabila minus 7 equals 0. Tapos kapag kinuha mo yung value ng u dito, so hindi siya factorable, so gagamit tayo ng quadratic equation, di ba? So medyo mahirap siya, medyo matagal gawin. Kasi magiging u equals, I think kung hindi ako nagkakamali, will be 1 plus or minus square root of 29 all over 2. And then, isa-subback pa natin dito. Medyo mahirap yon. So, bakit naging easy category yan, Sir IJ? Kasi ang hinahanap natin is x minus 7 over square root of x. So what happens next is that itong 7, pwede nating palitan ito. So it is what we call as the algebraic manipulation. So x minus square root of x all over square root of x. And then simplify natin, Lodi Cakes. So we have x minus, ang x over square root of x is equal to square root of x, mga idolo. Tapos ito namang square root of x over square root of x is 1. So negative yan. Tapos may negative tayo sa labas, which gives us x minus square root of x plus 1. Eh ang x minus square root of x ay 7. So we have 7 plus 1. So the final answer for this problem is 8. Pwede nyo rin kunin yung calculators nyo, gamitin nyo yung dalawang possible values ng x, and I mean yung possible values ng dito, mga Lodi Cakes, na makukuha nyo dito, pero you will still end up with 8. So napaka-simple lang ng solution natin out of algebraic manipulation, and this is one of the starting package, or pwede nating masabi na magandang practice to dun sa mga aspiring math wizards natin. And sana kahit paano may natutunan kayo sa problem na to, although this is a very basic problem, and sana mas marami pa kayo matutunan sa mga susunod na tutorials ni Sir IJ. More power sa inyo, and good luck din sa lahat ng mga future electrical engineers na magta-take ng boards this weekend, and God bless you always. And just do your best and God will take care of the rest. Bye-bye and thank you.